Hi guys! Today I will show you a tutorial for my hime gyaru makeup. I'm really often asked for it, so I decided to show you everything I do. Before we start, please subscribe and like the video so I can grow more. So hi! I use this SPF, I hope you can see this, and remember to use your SPF besties, you don't want to get a sunburn. I let it dry a bit, and this is the primer I'm using. I'm still working on finding the best primer because my makeup is cakey really often, but I think it's working quite good. In the meantime, when it's drying, I'm gonna put on my lenses. They're from Pinky Paradise, and I also get asked often. And I'm wearing Princess Mimi, I think, almost every day. I love them so much. I'll show you in the packaging. They look like this, and I'm gonna put them on before makeup, because if you put them on after makeup, you might get makeup into your eye, and it's a bit painful. I look like this anime girl meme with like one lens. This is the foundation I have always been using. I don't know any other foundations. This is the best one. Believe me, this is the best one. This is the concealer I'm using, and it's also, I used many and they were so crusty, and this is the best one, and on the sale it's like $5, so it's worth it. Now I'm gonna bleach my eyebrows because I actually use foundation. I actually put foundation on them to make them look blonde. Make them look more gradient. I'm putting a bit of this color in them. It's supposed to be contour, but well, makeup is art, you can experiment. Powder I use, and it's like $2. It's worth it, and it smells like strawberries. It's done. So now I'm going to do blush, and this is the best hime blush ever. It's from the Sweetberry series or something like this, from Flower Nose. Just look at this. It used to have like bear pressed on it, but I use it so much because I love it so much that it's not visible anymore. Put it on like apple of your cheeks, like when you smile. It should be in the middle. No, it's not blush blindness. It's the more blush, the better. Okay, now contour. I don't contour hard. I do just like a little bit of here, a little bit of that. For nose, I use this one. This is the eyeshadow I use for nose contour. Then I use this one. Do it like this, and now blend it. Let's start the eyes. This is freckle pen, but I use it as eyeliner. I will go closer to show you. I start with inner corner. I do a little bit in the corner, then for the half of the waterline, I do together with the waterline, and then I draw the droop. For white, I'm using first this NYX crayon, and I think it's a bit crusty, but I can find better one. For now, I sent too many white crayon, and this is the best one yet. And then when I make the shape, I add glitter to this with the same eyeshadow I use for the nose. And I also put it on my eyebrows, by the way, like here. I know it looks rusty, but wait, let me cook. Now it looks way better, and I'm going to do a gyoza, and I use this contour again. And for the eyeshadow, and look at this. Look at this, it's Flower Nose again. I swear Flower Nose is the best makeup brand ever. Just look at this. I first used this shade on the outer part of my eyes, and then I put this glitter on it. And on my droop, I use this. When everything main is ready, I'm going to go to the lashes, and I'm also getting asked for this so often. So I'm gonna show you everything. You will need lash curler, mascara, and tweezers. First put mascara on top of your lashes. Then I'm putting tweezers in the wand of mascara, and I'm spiking my lashes together to make this anime effect. Okay, so maybe video cut off in one moment, and I'm not sure if I showed everything, but if something is missing, I'm gonna show you step by step anyway, just the other day, and I'm gonna edit it in here. So now eyeliner. I first put it like all over in here, and then I draw a little bit of a droop, and then I like extend it a bit, and then I draw on the lashes in here. I'm gonna show it. First like this. The last step that left are falsies. I'm using manga falsies from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description. And first I put glue on them, and they're right now drying. They need to dry around for a minute, and then I put them on, and I get asked how do I put them on so they do not fall off. I use like that. You can see the first spike, and I just connect this with tweezers to the first spike in my real lashes, and then I just like pinch them, and they stay all day. Now the second eye. This is how the makeup is presenting, and right now I'm gonna take it ready. I love it so much how bouncy my curls are. And by the way, I got asked so often for the hair tutorial, and I'm just putting my hair in these things, and then I'm just unwrapping it this way, and I'm just using hairspray to make it last longer. And it looks like this. I'm going to do for 2 ponytails today with a ribbon in here. I'm done right now. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.